Hello, this is Brian McGlann with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of a 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard version. Very beautiful boat with low hours and warranty remaining. So this boat is powered with the upgraded Twin 300 Mercury V8s. We have the upgraded engine paint to white with roughly about 125 hours. We do have extended protection through Mercury Platinum for a couple of more years. Nice looking boat as well. We have the two-tone hull side with white and quantum blue Sea Ray gel coat. The interior is equally as good looking. So we have the dune interior package, aft extended sunshade. As we walk into the boat, we have our battery switches on the right, and you enter a very expansive cockpit with very nice social setting. We do have a nice teak cockpit table right here in the center with a custom-made cover. Very nice boat in good condition. As you can see here along the seats, everything's looking really nice. Off to the starboard side, we do have a prep station, refrigerator, sink, and a nice little cooler box. Fiberglass hard pop. As we come up to the helm, we have digital Simrad screens to control all of your chart plotting, digital switching, Mercury vessel view. We do have joystick control, auto trim tabs, Simrad VHF, and a very nice expansive bow seating with a spotlight and windlass anchor. Again, just a quick walkthrough of this 2022 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Please give us a call. Brian McGlann at MarineMax Stuart, 561-635-6811. And we would be happy to tell you all about this new listing.